Anyways, welcome back to Alex and Wadney Entertainment. So I am basically cleaning right now, and I have to.
If you are new to our channel, welcome. Definitely join the family by subscribing to the channel. Comment down below. Let us know how we're doing, what you want to see more of. So basically, this video is from my live stream, and I took the video into pieces, and it's going to be a cleaning motivational video. And also, my cousin is going to share some tips on how to grow your channel as well. So hopefully you guys do enjoy this video. Go ahead and ring that notification bell so you know every time I am going to be dropping some videos.
Hi everyone, how you guys doing today?
Tell us how, okay, say I have 2 hours. Say I do this for 2 hours. And how you can, like, just tell the tips about what you told me.
Okay. So if you guys go live on YouTube, you will increase your watch hours. The more people that you have on the live with you, the more hours you gain. Say, for instance, Wadney's on live right now, and 5 people are watching for 30 minutes. It can definitely increase your watch time the more people that you have on there. It would go for each person, probably like 30 minutes for each person would go for like 2 hours. You understand? Because it counts per view of the that you stay on. So going live really does help your watch time. Now, I don't know, but the shorts, they used to help a lot of people get monetized and get watch hours because everybody and their mamas watch the short. But YouTube just recently, like a week ago, so shorts do not include in your monetization.
You guys, that sucks. Oh,
Another tip is that if you see your favorite YouTuber, if you constantly comment under your favorite YouTuber when they post stuff, people will see your comment, a super nice comment, and people will see it, and then they'll probably, they'll hit your link and check out your channel as well.
Hi, you guys know that I've been advertising this. So he's the one that did it. This one's a clean one, actually. So he is about to pick this up from me. I have 3 of them, actually. I've been advertising them all day. Introduce yourself.
Hey, what's up, man? Ippies, man. This is the #1 selling Ippies in America. Don't believe me, just watch, okay? You don't like it, you get a full refund. Matter of fact, if you don't like it, I'll double your refund. That's it.
That's it.
just a little cleaning video. Hopefully you guys like it. Let me know how I did in this video. And definitely check out my boy's website. I put it in the description box below. And of course, you guys, comment down below. Like the video, of course. And you guys, you have to join the family. And it's easy. All you have to do is press that little red button that says subscribe. And then you guys have to ring that notification bell so you know every time we post a video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!